4-year-old Kira Kagan's family says they weren't surprised when the little girl died while hiking with her biological father. In fact, they say her death wasn't an accident and that this is what they were afraid was going to happen. Halton police aren't investigating this case as a homicide at this time, but Kira's family is speaking out, saying they wish the courts would have listened to their pleas during what they say was a bitter custody battle with Kira's biological father, Robin Brown.
We were warning judges about escalating conduct on the part of Mr. Brown, and those warnings were not heeded.
Kira died 2 days ago while hiking with her father at Rattlesnake Point Conservation Area. Their bodies were discovered at the base of an escarpment. Police say their injuries were consistent with a fall. Last year, Rupesh Rajkumar, the father of 11-year-old Riya Rajkumar, was accused of killing his daughter after she was found dead in his Brampton home. He later died from a self-inflicted gunshot wound. Riya's mother had gone to police after Rajkumar failed to return the girl on time after taking her out for her birthday. Family lawyer Amanda Turk says it can be very tough for a parent to prove another parent is dangerous for their child.
I'm very clear to tell these clients that they need evidence from third parties, such as the Children's Aid Society or police, to be able to back up their concerns. And in some cases, the concerns wouldn't be recognized by the Children's Aid Society or the police, so that's another concern.
The next step would be to get a custody and access assessment. But Turk says there are issues with that as well.
The custody and access assessments generally focus on the relationships between the parents and the children. They don't necessarily focus on the psychological makeup of the parents. And sometimes if there's a mental health issue and the parent is high functioning, but the mental health issue may impact their ability to care for the child, that can be missed in a regular assessment.
Turk says it's tough for lawyers and judges to really identify when there's a serious problem with a caregiver because it's normal for parents to speak ill of the other in high conflict cases.
The court has to weigh whether or not those allegations are true, and you're concerned about your spouse. It would be a good idea for you to tell your lawyers or to suggest that a psychological assessment is done of each parent.
And do you have to pay for something like that?
Yes, generally those psychological assessments are privately funded and can be tens of thousands of dollars, and lots of families can't afford them.
Again, Kira's death is not being investigated as a homicide. Charges against Rupesh Rajkumar, the Brampton father accused of murdering his daughter, have been withdrawn. He died before a trial could take place.